welcome back to another video of handy gifts. In today's video, I'll be using something that I bought long back. I think it's almost 2 years since I got it, and I haven't used it at all. Only when I got it, I used it and I kept it inside. I never used it. So it's been very long. I got it in April 2021. So it's almost 2 years now. So I thought let me use it now and check if it's working. So you'll get to know what it is soon. So without wasting time, let's begin.
So here it is. It is the Engrave with pen or marker, whatever you can see. So in this, they have mentioned which all platform you can use it on. As you can see, metal, steel, wood, electronics, valuables, collectibles, leathers, and computers. So I'll be using it on few of these. Uh, let's see how it goes. So yes, let's begin. So first let's try it on metal. I'll be trying on this box cap. Let me just write S on it. Let's see. Okay, so it was easy, not that bad. So it's a yes. So let's go to next. That is steel. I had tried on this long back. That is when I got the engraved thing. So yes, it is still there. And at the top I written Sulaksha, but I don't think I done it properly. So it's faded out a bit. Coming to the next, it is the wood, which is my laptop table or study table, anything you can say. So it's still there even after 2 years. It's proper. So this is also a thumbs up. Coming to electronics and computer, both we can say. Let me try on this. I hope it doesn't spoil it. So yes, let me try. It's a bit difficult, but yes, I could write on it. So this is a thumbs up as well. That's it.
Hello again, I hope you liked the video. If yes, then do give a thumbs up. And also, if you are new to the channel, do click on the red subscribe button below and also hit the bell icon so that you get to know whenever I upload new videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.